What do candlestick patterns mean for investors? Candlestick patterns can give traders like you a wealth of information. To begin with, they tell you about the difference between a stock's open price and close price during a trading day. Candlestick patterns also indicate trends in the market. They show you if a market is bullish, stable, or bearish. By studying patterns in a candlestick's real body and shadow, traders can identify if a price trend is accelerating or if it is coming to an end. Multiple candlestick patterns also throw some light on trend reversals in the market. Interested in learning more about what multiple candlestick patterns mean for traders like you? Smart Money has all the answers. Keep reading to know more.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.